Council of Governors has ordered all businesses and service providers not to serve anyone not wearing a mask. The Council of Governors Chairperson Wambora says the county government, through the joint intergovernmental emergency response committees, arrived at the decision after noting the concerns at the reckless manner some Kenyans were behaving, even with full knowledge of the devastating effects of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Service providers have been warned against attending to Kenyans not wearing masks. The Council of Governors Chairperson Wambora says the county governments are disturbed with the manner some Kenyans were behaving, even with full knowledge of how the pandemic was raving the nation.
As the President reiterated, we are also joining him to urge members of the public to continue exercising strict caution as we are still battling the third wave of the pandemic, which is very lethal.
Wambora also called on the National Treasury to release the 70.2 billion shillings owed to the county government before the end of the financial year to help the devolved units meet their obligation in the war against the coronavirus.
These are compromised response measures towards the COVID-19 pandemic and service delivery to 190. We therefore urge the National Treasury to treat this matter with urgency and expedite the release of the funds to counties. The implementation of THS program, we wish to thank the World Bank for supporting county government through the THS program that seeks to build a progressive, responsive, sustainable healthcare systems.
CoG says the delay of the funds has greatly hampered and compromised response measures towards COVID-19 pandemic and service delivery to wananchi. As part of fighting the pandemic, county governments will now be conducting testing in border points to stem the spread of the virus and want the Ministry of Health to expedite the provision of the testing kits so as to upscale the testing of COVID-19 in the borders.
Despite of lack of adequate testing kits, county governments have ensured that testing at border points is undertaken. This week, 660 tests have been conducted in Namanga, Kajiado.
The Council of Governors, in the meantime, wants the Ministry of Health to fast-track the release of the pending products for HIV and AIDS currently stuck at the Mombasa port.
County governments will work to ensure that services will be delivered promptly to persons living with HIV, AIDS, and affected by tuberculosis and malaria through healthcare workers.
Timothy Kipnusu, Channel 1 News.